You see, like I was saying here, we're kind of like lab rats, okay? But not lab rats in a very evil way, in a very bad way, but like, we're fools, we're kind of dumb, okay? He created us here, and he created everything we're going to live, to enjoy, to have fun with. He created them, put them here, so we can actually, have fun with them, enjoy with them, but in a very moral, nice way, sort of. So, but it's just like an hamster, okay? Just like an hamster, okay? You put an hamster in a cage, okay? Of course, you're gonna put food there. You're gonna put entertainment you're gonna put entertainment there like that wave stuff that goes around. You put other things there as well. Like you don't just put the the hamster there, you put some things there as well. So that's exactly the same way we are on earth as well. You know what I'm saying? So he put us here, he put some things there for us as well. But he just want to see what we will do with them, or what we will use some of them for, or how we will get some of them. All sort of things like that, because he already created all of them. That's why he came to earth as well most of the time, to actually enjoy it. He raises his brain, comes back and enjoy the stuff. You get me? So every now and then he looks and he checks, oh, he done this, he resisted to do that, he did this, he didn't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like lab rats, like you see, like I was saying, test, okay, test on obedience, blah blah blah. You see, as part of what he has designed, okay, like he created everything, he designed it before we came, okay. It would be like, say for example, before we came to it, say for example, you see this lockdown we are in, okay, okay. Even if some people think it's the work of their hand, or some people are doing it for certain reason, different reasons. No, the reason he did it, okay, he has said, like, he designed it like, at some point in this world, okay, from this time to this time, okay, every human being will be isolated, okay. And at that time, yeah, he wanted to test to see something. He wanted to see maybe at this time, okay, say, if human being say, oh, I've been distracted, that's why I don't listen to you, that's why I don't solve you, and blah blah blah. He wanted to see maybe human being will still actually solve him, or say he's God and stuff like that. You see, even churches are closed. Even churches are closed. You understand? So, you wanted to see maybe human being will actually listen to him, will actually obey him. Like, for example, he may be giving some people words as well, but they will not go out there to pray, they will not put it out there, they will not say some things that, like, so, you see, even some people here would, despite the fact that he created the lockdown even before we arrived there, to see maybe we actually go through, we actually, like, obey him and do his work and stuff like that here, and, like, listen to him, like, some people are still purposely distracting themselves. Can you imagine? Like, some people are still distracting themselves on purpose. Like, you see someone create like YouTube shows, some talk shows, like some sleepover, they be doing some useless stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, they still purposely distract themselves. You understand? Like, and God actually has a lot to say. Like, he has a lot to say to human beings. And the fact that he says that human beings, they love this, their earth so much, they love this earth so much. And some of the things he wants to say here could actually be risky things that he wants to, divert mankind from here. You understand what I'm saying? Like, he wants to divert them from some destruction. He wants to divert the earth from destruction. He wants to divert human beings from destruction and all sorts of things. But yet, they still distract themselves. They don't listen. They don't listen. Even same situation happened in the time of Noah or something. Yeah, like, for real. Like seriously, should you not listen? And also, I'm very sure there's been like messages or some premonitions about this lockdown as well. Like, like, people just don't listen to what God has to say. You know what I'm saying? You think, okay, he did this because, okay, you'll be distracted with work and stuff like that, like, or loads of things. But yet, it's still purposely kind of removed it for why? So you can just listen and just pay attention. Like, it's so merciful. He still wants you to, or they will still go and create some stuff to distract themselves. Listen, he created this thing so you can enjoy them in the first place anyway. So, like, just fulfill, just listen to him, obey him. Like that's why churches are closed. I bet you even now, yeah, that some people don't even go to church. They don't even care about God anymore as well, or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Just, in fact, churches even closed. You understand? You don't need church for it. Yeah, I'm like, you see, human beings, in fact, yeah, do not even fear God at all. You see, like I'm saying, yeah, you see, the only people that actually fear God, yeah, like say the angels and maybe the witches and the wizards, they know who God is, like so close. They know His anger. They know like this is a fearful God. So in many cases, they fear Him, yeah. Like for example, if you God say to an angel or witches or wizard, yeah, that listen, sit there, listen to these words, yeah, for for 2 hours. They could actually listen to that word there for like 2 hours non-stop. They could actually listen to the word for 2 hours non-stop. That's how much they fear God. So in fact, a lot of these people actually listen to God more. You see, the angels listen to God more. I tell you, the angels are more. The angels listen to God more. Witches and wizards, they even listen to God even more. They want to even hear more information about God and all sorts of things like that than a human being. If you say to a human being, listen to this word for God said to a human being, listen to this word for 2 hours, 1 hour. You say this is boring, man. I can't listen to this man, start doing all sorts of nonsense. 1 hour, 2 hours. Nah, too boring.